Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I'm going to do a quick video here about how to Mod Podge onto a wood slice with a little bag, like a Christmas bag, like a gift bag, okay? So this came from the dollar store, and this was cut off of a limb. So anyway, I know it's a disaster around here, but listen, that's what a crafter's life is. A disaster, basically. So I'm just coming on here and popping on, showing you this real fast. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take my bag and tear it apart. I'm not using scissors on this because I want it to be torn. Because when it's torn, it has a little more vintage look. And that's the look I'm going for here. And what I'm wanting to put on my wood slice is this Merry Christmas. Okay? And I'm wanting to do it sideways. So I'm using the front part of the bag, and we're just going to move it over here, and I want to do it long way like this, okay? So I'm going to tear it down to size, and like I said, I'm not trying to be perfect. We're going to Mod Podge this on. It's going to be a really cool look. I just want to get it as old looking as I can, and just kind of like it was meant to be that way, not like it was ever a bag, okay? I'm just tearing little bits and pieces because that usually works better than trying to tear it off all at once. So now I've got it like this, Merry Christmas, okay? And let's just lay it on here and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like laying across here. So it's pretty much perfect. There's a few little spots that I need to kind of tear down just so it fits just a tiny bit better. But overall, it fits very well. Okay. So if you've never Mod Podged before, it's really easy. But what I'm going to do is just take my little piece of, whatever that was, gift bag, sorry. Put some Mod Podge on the back. And then I'm just using one of these sponge brushes. You can use whatever kind of brush you want. But I'm going to make sure it's on the back of my paper really well. Now, a key to Mod Podging is you do not want it too thick. Now, you want plenty because you want it to, I didn't even put enough, you want it to really stick, but you don't want to have so much on there that it bubbles up. There is nothing worse than bubbly Mod Podge, okay? I'm sorry that it's like falling. This video is kind of a hot mess, but we're just doing the best we can, and I hope that you will learn something from it. So after you've got the Mod Podge on the back, you just kind of run your fingers over it and get it pressed down as good as you can onto your wood slice, okay? Now I realized some spots that I didn't get very good, so I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit more on there, so you'll probably end up doing the same thing. So you're just going to lay it down there. You want to make sure that it's actually going to stick. I almost put that in my mouth. I almost went like that. Oh my gosh, that would have tasted nasty. Okay, got just a few more. The sides I didn't get it on as good, so I'm kind of having to go back and kind of add a little bit more. Okay, so once it's on there good, it kind of looks like this. So it's really cute, but we want to seal it, okay? We want to seal it. So we're making sure it's all on there good, and then we are going to put it onto the top of it like this. Now it's like glue, it dries clear, so it doesn't matter what it looks like right now. That does not matter. We just want to get it on there really, really, really good, and we want to seal the top of our ornament. So like I said, I'm just going over it with my sponge brush. I'm just making sure to get under there really good and to get it really, really covered very well. And a lot of times a really good thing to do would be take a rag, I'm sorry, y'all can't see me, take a rag and like rub it off really good. But you know what? Oh wait, I do have something. I was going to say I didn't have anything, but I actually do have a paper towel. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It'll kind of help it to dry maybe a little bit faster. Okay. So it will dry clear. It looks like this right now. Whoa, looks like this right now, but it will dry clear. So we're going to just kind of let it dry, but before we do that, I'm going to take my sanding block and kind of distress it even more, okay? So we're going to do it like this. So we're going to do this. I'm sanding my top, and I want it to have a really, really rusted feel, okay? So we're just sanding all over the top of this. This is going to be super cute, because I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do at the very end is we're going to make it into an ornament, okay? So it's going to be really, really fun. Okay, so this will all dry clear, but look at it right now. Look how awesome that looks, how it's all distressed looking. Okay, so here's a fun thing that we can do. I've got some ribbon right here. It's buffalo check. I'm sorry about this lighting, guys. It's buffalo check. So let's just cut us a little bit of that off of here real quick. And we will just simply take the back like it is right now and kind of just make it into a loop, and then make it into a little ornament for us, just right here and right now. Just as easy as pie. Because if it's not very heavy, which this one's not, then you can just easily just hot glue it on here and it'll be totally fine. Now if it was really heavy, you wouldn't want to use that because it just wouldn't stick as well. But look, now we have our own little ornament. How cute is this, guys? Now don't forget, it will dry clear. Your Mod Podge will dry clear, so you don't have to worry about that. But I'm even going to take my sandpaper, it's actually a sanding block, and just distress it up even more because I love that vintage look. And then I'm going to show you, and it's ending up actually taking some of that white Mod Podge off, but I can feel it. It feels very, very, very sealed. This looks really cool, guys. What do y'all think? How cute did it turn out? And how easy was that from a little dollar bag from the dollar store? Can't beat that. Thank y'all for watching. I'm sorry this video is a little bit jacked up, but subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be coming out with new videos all the time, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much. Bye, guys.